Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn onomatopoeia, but if you are new to my channel then please don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Let me first define it. Onomatopoeia is a word which imitates the natural sound of a thing. It creates a sound effect that mimics the thing described. What does it mean? Simply, it means that onomatopoeia is nothing but it refers to a word which sounds like a thing it describes. Actually, you should remember that when you talk about onomatopoeia, it means you talk about a sound. But you should also remember if I ask how a dog bark, or how a cat sound, so you will try to make a sound through your mouth. While producing their voice, you will try to imitate exactly the sound of a dog or a cat. So this imitation is called onomatopoeia. In the other words you can say, onomatopoeic words are created by taking a sound we hear in the real world and converting it into a word that sounds similar. I think you are not getting the point, just look at these examples. I heard the meow sound in the room. Look at this example, here the sound, meow, is onomatopoeic word. Grammatically, this classic example closely mimics the sound a cat makes when vocalizing. Simply, as we have said that an onomatopoeia mimics the sound of a thing, animal, etc. So, that is why it is called onomatopoeia. Flies were buzzing around the picnic tables. Observe this example, here the word, buzzing, is onomatopoeic word. Basically, you might have observed the flies when they fly which make buzz sound. So, when I say, buzz, so it directly imitates the sound of the flies. He whispered in my ear. Look at this example, here the word, whispered, is an onomatopoeic word. Actually, when someone talks slowly in the ear of another person. So, it makes an onomatopoeic sound. So, this is called onomatopoeia in English language. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Thank you.